I am Ron Swale. I'm the Assistant Vice President of Facilities and Services at the St. George campus. 2014 has been a tremendously successful year. We've completed over 24 major projects in conservation, both water and energy. Two of the most noteworthy projects were the workflow project that was completed by our finance department. That will save over 80,000 sheets of paper. The second would be the OISI retrofit project that uses occupancy sensors to control the HVAC in the building. Basically, that project takes a very old building and uses off-the-shelf technology to make it run as efficiently as a state-of-the-art building.
My name is Jennifer Drake, and I'm an assistant professor at the University of Toronto in the Department of Civil Engineering. I'm a researcher in the GRIT lab, that stands for Green Roof Innovation Testing Laboratory. We are looking at green roof design for the Toronto climate and integrating green roof systems with photovoltaic technology. In 2015, we are designing and installing our data monitoring system. So we're going to be instrumenting the whole lab to look at all kinds of climatic and performance variables for the next 2 years. So it's going to be a very busy summer for us. Something I saw really recently in the campus bulletin is an article about 3 UofT alumni who have created a startup called Nanolight. They've basically developed the world's most efficient light bulb, and I'm just blown away by their creativity and innovation.
My name is Hayley Fuller, and I'm a communications coordinator for the Division of Human Resources and Equity.
And I'm Debbie Offsney, and I'm the Executive Director of Total Rewards here in Human Resources. In human resources, there is a fair amount of paper-intensive processes that exist, and there is a trend to move employees and managers to interact more directly with technology to eliminate these types of paper processes.
A lot of it relies on meeting in person, filling out forms, mailing those forms to different organizations. So we're looking for a way to bring that all online so that it's not only a more green initiative, but also very welcoming for all of our employees. I love the water bottle filling station initiatives that are going on campus. Not only does it make it easy to actually get a drink of water wherever you want to go, but it helps employees save money and helps the environment at the same time.
I'm Tiffany Care, and I'm a student at University of Toronto, and I'm studying cognitive science and media studies.
I'm Rima Qureshi. I'm a student at UofT, and I'm studying environmental studies.
There are actually some really new and exciting clubs on campus.
Yeah, that's the great thing about UofT. If you don't find a club that fits your interests, you can just start one of your own. So, for example, this year there was a club that was called the Veg Club.
And the Veg Club started a really interesting initiative. This year they launched their mentorship program, and the mentorship program allows for mentees and mentors to communicate about the challenges that people may face when they're becoming vegans or vegetarians, or just so that they can get general information about becoming more aware of those practices.
One student initiative that's really cool is Bike Chain, which had its 10th year anniversary this year, and it serviced over 25,000 bikes so far.
Yeah, and also Green Chem Initiative. They've been fantastic at reducing waste and energy consumption within the labs.
There's so many ways to get involved on campus, and it's great to see students come out and engage with these issues and these clubs and make this campus more sustainable.
What I love about doing research here at the University of Toronto is our proximity to so many exciting things. I work a lot with conservation authorities, and there's a lot of really exciting, innovative and sustainable projects taking place in Toronto and the surrounding area.
I think the beauty of the UofT campus is something that inspires a lot of people to act sustainably. We really have a green oasis in the center of the city, and that's not something that you see quite often, so it's really a nice thing that everyone wants to protect.
The Sustainability Office is celebrating its 10th anniversary. It's really hard for me to believe that 10 years have actually gone by. The elements of the success start with really passionate, talented people who have worked in the office over the years. I think it demonstrates that there is a culture of sustainability in facilities and services. This is now something that is automatic to staff. Conservation and sustainability is something that they think of routinely in their jobs.